Simon Says subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.
Another way that you can link to different parts of a document is to use bookmarks. Bookmarks really are pretty much what you might think they are. If you can imagine a book with a bookmark in it, you're basically holding that page so you can refer to it quickly later on. And that works the same in a Word document. So let's scroll down to where we have some text. Now, maybe if we scroll through these different paragraphs, where we have reading view just here, maybe I want that to be a hyperlink so that when we click on it, it jumps down to the section related to views in this document. Now, we've seen one way that we can do this. We can right-click and set up a link and link it to different headings. But with a bookmark, we can basically link to any piece of text. Now, as I said, where we have reading view, I want it to link to the views section of this document. So what I'm going to do is up on the view tab, I'm going to open up the navigation pane and I'm going to scroll down until I find views, which is this section just here. So let's click to jump to that point in the document. So maybe I want it to link to the views section. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to insert a bookmark, and we do this by jumping up to the insert ribbon. And in the links group, we have a bookmark option. So let's click on bookmark. We now need to give our bookmark a name. And when you're naming your bookmarks, it's a good idea not to have any spaces if you want the bookmark name to be 2 words. So make sure you don't have a space or you separate words with an underscore. So I'm just going to call this one views and we're going to say add. Now, once I've created that bookmark, I can't tell that I actually have a bookmark at this part of the document. Now, if you want to be able to see where your bookmarks are, you're going to need to turn that on in Word Options. So if we jump up to File and go down to Options, we want to click on the Advanced page. And you're going to find this setting all the way down in the Show Document Content section. Notice we have a little checkbox here to show bookmarks. So let's check that and click on OK. And now if you click away, can you see I kind of have this line just where we have views? That shows me that I have a bookmark just there. So now what we can do is we can effectively add a hyperlink that links to this particular bookmark. And we can add bookmarks throughout our document. So I could come down to keyboard shortcuts and add another bookmark. Let's click on bookmarks. I'm going to call this one keyboard _ shortcuts. Let's add that. And now I can see that I have that bookmark just there as well. Let's jump to the top of the document, Control Home, and now I can link to those bookmarks from anywhere else in this document. So maybe where we have reading view, I want to make this a link. Let's right click and go to Link. And notice when we select Link to a place in this document, we can choose one of the headings, or alternatively, if we scroll down to the bottom, we have a new section called Bookmarks. And we can choose which bookmark we want to link to. So I'm going to link reading view to the views section. I could choose to add a screen tip if I want to and click on OK. And that is now a link. If I hold down Control and click on this, it's going to jump me to that point of the document. So that's how you can use bookmarks and hyperlinks together to link to different parts of a Word document.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.